I was looking at this 4x4 offcut and was keeping it around, knowing I'd use it. Today I got an idea, and I'm a bit short on time, so let's get this quick project done. With spring approaching, it's about time to get making birdhouses, if you plan to make some money selling them on the marketplace. This is going to be a special one, basically carved out from a piece of wood, no planks, no nails or screws. I traced the roof just to give a guide to follow, then head to the bandsaw. We want a roof that goes out on all sides, so we need the house part to be smaller. That's why I start by removing the roof from the block. Put that aside, then cut the house short, starting by the left and right sides, then we'll deal with the front to back. This line towards the back of the house is what I plan to discard, to have this effect on the roof. Now, those two lines I keep. The front is the thicker one because we want our hole and we want it to be solid. The back wall can be much thinner. Now carve out the inside. I don't need to follow the triangle on top. I'd rather have a soft inside, so I cut a round curve. But I need to keep the bottom, so I need to do this in a few steps. I enter from the bottom for a seamless joint once glued. I stop right before exiting again from the bottom, then just chop what's left in steps, and then refine my curve for more indoor space. Please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. It helps a ton. Thanks to all subscribers. All done, time to go put this together. I start by gluing the open bottom, and then adding the front and back panels, leaving it all in clamps for about 15 minutes before I come back. The glue is Titebond 3, a waterproof glue, as it's for outdoors. Now out of clamps, I head to the belt sander and get it perfect on all sides. Quick and easy. For a door, I used the 1¼ inch Forstner bit, which I started on the workbench, then remembered I don't want to break my fingers, so I went to the vise. I sanded with my hand sander what I could get to with the belt sander. The roof is easy, lots of glue and clamps. Clamp from all angles so it sticks down nice and looks good. This could easily be done with the sander, but I got tools and I love using them. I'm routing the edges I can reach with an 8-inch round over bit. Back to the belt sander, I do the rooftop. Finally, sanding wise, I sand the hole by hand at 120 grit. To hang it, I'll simply use a metal hook, which I'll pre-drill for a tight connection. That's all for this build. It's a fun one. I think the result looks awesome for just a piece of 4x4. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.